Now, as we take you through a very, very popular Konkani song that's going to be sung here, performance by the Margaon Group, a track, it's a medley of two songs, Kazara Cheng Utor, a song that was written and sung by H. Britton and Piti Piti Moog. It's a medley. And here tonight performing that song, those two songs are Mahima, Esaias, Arian, Christine, Johnson, Salario, Lizanne, Hippien, Slain, Dimsey, Norvin, Denville, Devona, Jaden, Ashloyd, and Audrey. And they are led by the director of the Margaon Group, Simran, ladies and gentlemen.
Moja coração kar tuझे gor Sokari uthun tuझे galtai nodhor Moje gor tuझे gorak te konur Kenang diushi kazarache muthor Tuwe roila poito mogatsoru
spit it up, ladies and gentlemen, for the Margaon Center. Next, we have Amal from the Bastora Center and singing Gulabi Aankhein and led by the director Felicia. Let's hear it for Amal, Tera Masthana, and the performers are Milind, Avni, Sanvi, Bhavesh, Shannon, Janice, Ninoshka, Dr. Bhagashri, San, Sunil, Shreya, Susan, Siddhant, Soham, and Cynthia. And they are led by their director, Sen.
आज नशे में सारा जहां है, रात नशीली आज नशे में है सारा जहां है शराबी मौसम बहका है रूप तेरा मस्ताना प्यार मेरा दीवाना भूल कहीं हमसे ना हो जाए रूप तेरा मस्ताना प्यार मेरा दीवाना भूल कहीं हमसे ना हो जाए से आंखें मिलती है ऐसे बेचैन होके तूफान में जैसे आंखों से आंखें मिलती है ऐसे बेचैन होके तूफान में जैसे मौज को ही साहिल से टकराए रूप तेरा मस्ताना प्यार मेरा दीवाना रूप तेरा मस्ताना प्यार मेरा दीवाना भूल कहीं हमसे ना हो जाए रूप तेरा मस्ताना प्यार मेरा दीवाना भूल कहीं हमसे ना हो जाए
And coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, from the Mapsa Center is Shannon, who's going to be performing On My Own, and he's led by the director Sen, ladies and gentlemen.
Pretending he's beside me, all alone. I walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes and he has found me. In the rain, the pavement shines like silver. All the lights are misty in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is him and me forever and forever. But I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is blind, still I say there's a way for us. I love him, but when the night is over, he is gone and the river's just a river. Without him, the world around me changes. The trees are barren everywhere, the streets are full of strangers. I love him, but every day I'm learning. Oh, love him. I love him, but only on my own.
This is calling in the group from Mapsa and Porvory, who will be performing up next, and they are led by their director, Anastasia. Now we have the drummer's piece, ladies and gentlemen. are now going to focus on songs that get you into the mood, like Christmas songs coming in. So we're going to have popular songs like Oh Holy Night, Mary's Boy Child. I'll tell you about that. And before I announce the participants, may I also call upon Pastor Matthew to kindly be on stage. Pastor Matthew, who has been part and parcel of the center. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, can I see you put your hands together for Pastor Matthew? Thank you very much.
So great to be here this evening with San Antonio and Sedalia and all the honorable guests and all the parents, children, and all the participants. I've been asked to speak about Christmas, and Christmas is a great day. It's a day that we celebrate the birth of Christ. It's a time that people from all around the world come to Goa and to celebrate Christmas. If you walk around in any of the beach area after 20th, it's all crowded. And I never go out after 20th because it's so difficult to travel. So people come from everywhere to celebrate Christmas, and they find it so beautiful to be in Goa. We have something magical connected to Christmas. But unfortunately, many people who comes don't know what is Christmas is. Many people think it's all about Santa Claus, which has nothing to do with the Christmas, which is invented hundreds of years after the time of Christ. It's all about all the decorations and wreath and stars and light, candles and lights and all this. All are good, but the most important part of Christmas is about Christ. It's like you are invited to a birthday party. There was a great party. Everyone is dancing and drinking and eating a lot, but nobody bothered to wish the child whose birthday they all come for. Sometimes I feel like that when I go for Christmas parties. But I want to share with you who is Christ this evening. Christ is God himself, came in the form of man to save man from the sin and to make them worthy for heaven. There are a lot of religion, there are a lot of philosophies all around us. One thing make Christ unique is that he is the only one who came saying that I have come to serve and to die. All others were gods and goddesses. I have nothing against any of them. Christ stands as unique because the whole purpose of he coming to the world was to die for the sins of humanity. Bible described like this: God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son Jesus. Whoever believes in him will not perish but will have eternal life. All that we see as Christmas celebration may not have nothing much to do with Christ. But if you really wanted to know who Christ is, you have to look into the Bible. One tax collector named Matthew has described the history of how Jesus was born. Another one, medical doctor called Mr. Luke. Dr. Luke, he wrote medically how Jesus was born. Then there was another guy who was a fisherman, who was a poetic guy called John. He wrote about why Jesus came to the world. He said like this: in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and Word was God. He was the beginning with God, and all things were made through him. Without him, nothing was made that is existed. In him was the life, and the life was the light of men, and the light shined in the darkness, and the darkness could not cover him. There was a man sent from God whose name was John. He came as a witness to bear witness about the light, that all might believe through him. He was not the light. He came to bear the witness about the light. The true light, which enlightened everyone who was coming into the world. He was in the world, and the world was made through him, yet the world did not know him. He came to his own people did not receive him. But all who did receive him and believed in his name, he gave them the right to become the children of God, who were born not by blood, nor by the will of men, nor by the flesh, but by the will of God, by God. And again, John says, what a great love God has lavished upon us by sending his son Jesus to the world. All my friends, all my friends and children who are listening to me, let me tell you, Jesus came to the world to make a new life out of your old life. The whole purpose of Jesus coming to the world is not to make a religion. It's about to make a relationship with God. Jesus came to the world to show you what you could and what you are and what you can become. On this Christmas day, we had seen all these children singing Christmas event, all the children performing. Each child is made in God's image, and each child is beautiful, and they are a gift from God. But as they grow, we go into all kinds of difficult situations. Some fall into wrong habits, some fall into sin, some develop a negative attitude, some become rebellious. But Jesus had come to get all of us into a way to eternal life, to lead a life that is victorious, lead a life that is blessed and joyful. On this anniversary occasion of San and Sidalia's music school, Taught to Teach, I want to encourage each and every one to know Christ and accept Christ in your life. It's not about changing your religion. It's about building a relationship. So I want to wish you all the best. Merry Christmas. God bless you. San Sidalia and all the children and teachers, all the best. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Pastor Matthew.